Hey guys, it's Naturally Ann here and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a mini twist tutorial. I have a mini twist tutorial on my channel already. You guys can go check that out. This one has a little bit different because I added some flat twists in the front in like a tribal style. So if you're interested on how I got this, keep on watching. To start on this hairstyle, I just started by parting my hair as I normally do into basically 4 sections. I've been working really hard on trying to make my parts neater in my hair so that like my hair can just be a little bit neater and just for practice. And I don't know, it goes well sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. But I also recommend that you detangle your hair before starting this style because, you know, you see what just happened there. I was kind of struggling and it wasn't fun. But I'm starting this hairstyle on like freshly washed hair from about 2 days ago. For some reason, I've been doing this a lot because my hair takes a long time to dry. So like when I wash it, I'll just put it in a bun or I'll just wear it in a fro or something, like maybe put it in some braids to like stretch it out. But I just like to do it that way better. I don't like doing my hair when I first wash it because it'll take like days for it to dry. I'm exaggerating, but for real, it takes too long. I was really trying to get that part perfect, but then I was just like, forget it. But also spray your hair with some water. I don't know why I didn't spray my hair, but I was like trying to be sweet and detangle my hair with this broken comb. Like, what? But yeah, make sure you detangle your hair as you go or start on detangled hair so that you don't have these problems. Oh look, there goes my spray bottle. So, okay, I start by splitting my back section in half, you know, to complete my different sections. So these clips you guys see me using in my older videos, you do not see these clips, but I do have a natural hair essentials tools video that I talked about how you really need these clips for beginner naturals, and this is why. I used to just use hair ties, but this is way easier to do and it doesn't pull your hair out the way hair ties do. So I definitely recommend that you get some hair clips for your natural hairstyles. The products that I'm using are from Cream of Nature's coconut milk line, and I use the curl repair leave-in conditioner, and I also use the moisture curl milk. And I absolutely love these products. They make my hair smell like literally delicious. And it makes my hair soft and fluffy and just bouncy. And I just really love the whole entire line. But anyway, you see me parting my little section off. I'm adding the curl milk. There it is. And I just take one little pump and I add it to my hair. I do a little detangling and then I just do my little twist. So I never ever expect the back of my hair to have even parts, but I really do try. And for this hairstyle, I think I did an okay job, but like literally the parts are terrible, so I'm sorry. I'm trying though. Another thing that I do is when I get to a new row of hair, I just apply the curl milk to the entire section and then I just twist just to make it go by faster because who wants to stand there twisting their hair for over 5 hours? No one. So you just do what you gotta do to get through. So when I get to a new section, I repeat the steps by spraying my hair with some water, adding the leave-in conditioner, and then I make my separate parts so that I can add the curl milk, and then detangle and then start twisting. So mini twist is one of my most favorite protective styles to wear because it's like 3 hairstyles in one. You can wear the mini twist and then you can take them out and do a twist out, and like, yeah, you can even style the twist differently or you can style the twist out differently. So it's like you can do whatever you want to do with mini twists, whether you keep them in or take them out. I feel like it's so convenient and it's so easy that anybody can do it, and that's just why I love this hairstyle. It's also protective, as I said, because your hair is like, the ends are protected, they're twisted up. You can even like put it up in a ponytail and boom, protection. So this is where my mini twisting gets a little bit different from my last video. I just sprayed my hair with some water. Now I'm adding the leave-in conditioner, and I'm trying to make sure it's all, all conditioned because my hair was really feeling dry. And then I do a little bit of detangling, and then this was the hardest part for me. Back at it again with trying to get the perfect parts. So for my little tribal style look that I was going for, hopefully you guys know what I'm referring to, like those tribal feed-in braids where they have the one braid going to the back and then the other braids coming down to the side. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do with this twist. So like I was really trying hard to get the perfect part, but I just don't know. I got it on one side, but then the other side I couldn't get it even. It's just always something. So I clipped that section away, and then to make the other part, I'm just going off that center part in the middle of my head to like make the middle part for the twist, if that makes sense. Once we're finally satisfied with the parts that we have, we just twist the other section up and clip it away. And then for the twist, I'm adding the curl milk again, or I'm just gonna keep trying to part my hair, but whatever. I'm gonna add the curl milk, and then I'm going to use this Luster's Pink edge control. And I've been using this edge control for quite some time now, and it really is not the best. It does not work. It worked when I first used it, but it doesn't even last very long. Honestly, I am still on the hunt for the perfect edge control, which I heard Edge Booster is a perfect edge control, so I'm gonna have to give that a try. But I think my hair really got used to this because even after I just put it on, like my hair really just curled right back up, and I was like, are you freaking serious? Also, trying to twist toward the back was very, very, very difficult for me. So I'm going to work on this one and try to perfect it. While we're on the topic of flat twisting, I will be doing a detailed tutorial on how I do my flat twists. One of my friends taught me, and ever since then, like, my flat twist game has just been out of this world. Like, this one is disproving what I'm saying right now, but trust me, like, my flat twists be elite. All thanks to you, Daisha. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a flat twisting tutorial, so please be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that button right now. Also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when that video does come up and when I post any other video. Another reason that this flat twist was so hard to do was that the hair on the sides kept trying to get caught in the crossfire and like trying to be invited to the party that it was never invited to. So I was getting real mad at that. And then like, just twisting to the back is so hard. But twisting to the sides went a lot smoother. At the end of the day, the twist came out real good. So now I'm just moving on to the side sections, doing the same thing that I did for every other section, except this time instead of doing a regular 2-strand twist, I'm going to be doing my flat twist. I put 3 on each side to make it even. And guys, this hairstyle really got a lot of compliments, especially after I added like the hair cuffs and the hair jewelry and things like that. I didn't add them in this video, but you know, anytime you do any kind of twist, like, that's my new thing. I definitely be having to get those haircuts because I feel like it just really spices up the hairstyle a lot more. It makes it look more fun. It makes it look more attractive, more cute. And I just really love that hair jewelry. Like, why didn't somebody put me hip before? So another thing that's hard is twisting your hair on the different sides, but like trying to twist in the same direction. I don't know why that's so hard, but yeah, it just is. But after I got done with all my twists, I just put some Jamaican black castor oil all over my hair just to reduce a little bit of the frizziness. And now I'm adding that Luster's Pink Edge Control again, which, as I said before, barely even freaking works. I think I ended up going over it with some Eco Styler, which also just makes my hair curl up. So I tried to be sweet with my edges. You know, this is just my life. Also, I'm pretty sure that this is you guys' first time seeing me use this little edge brush. They're available at the dollar store. I mean, not the dollar store, at the beauty supply for about $1.50. And I'm just so glad that I got it because this is a great investment and it really gets your edges together. Like the comb on one side, the brush on the other side. Like, what? Yes, yes. Hello, look at you, looking good. Boom. In hopes to keep my edges down, I tied my scarf around the front of my head. And yeah, that's why I used Eco Styler over it, because I took this scarf off and my edges was back looking crazy. And I was like, bro, what? But But at the end of the day, everything was fine. It all sweated away because it was hot this day. And this is the finished look, you guys. My hair looks super juicy. Oh yeah. That one twist is real big, but you know, it was okay because that's one of the twists that I put a hair cuff on when I had got them. And as you can see, my edges are not laid, but that's okay. We good. My hair cute. Your hair cute because you tried this hairstyle and you subscribed to my channel and you liked this video and you left a comment, and we're all friends now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.